I'll share with you 5 tips on how to upgrade your photography skills as a beginner. My name is Kwekwaye, and this is Ghananie Photography. On this channel, I share with you awesome photography tutorials. If this is something you'll be interested in, kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell so you get notified anytime there's a new video. My first tip is you should get a mentor. A mentor will help you make some of the best choices in your career as a photographer. Why? Because this mentor has been in the game for some time now and can point you to the right direction. Let's say you have to get a new gear. You have no idea what to get. As a beginner, what kind of camera to get, what lenses will you need, what lighting equipment, you have no idea. Your mentor has been in the game for some time now. He or she can direct you as to what to get, and this mentor may already have most of these gadgets. So it gives you the opportunity to go to this mentor and try out these gadgets to be able to familiarize yourself with what you need and what not. Sometimes it could be that this mentor has some gear that you may not have come across before. So it's an opportunity for you to go try your hands on them and see if this gear will be good for you or not. Your mentor will help you make some career choices that without a mentor, you wouldn't have been able to. My next tip is for you to open up to other beginner photographers. What I mean is try and collaborate with photographers within this range. Find other photographers who are also starting just like you and share ideas with them. Some of them may know certain things that you will not know, then you also know something they don't know. So by collaborating, sharing ideas with people who are within your group, it will help you learn more from them. Also, collaborating with people within your group will give you the opportunity to make all the mistakes you can, knowing that you are all learning. So there is no pressure as to this person knows more than me or that. The next one is I would advise you attend beginner workshops. It's very, very necessary. Be it free or paid workshops, I would advise you attend them. It's your form of investment. You know, if you have to pay for those workshops, just look at them and see. Don't just be in a hurry to attend workshops meant for intermediaries or people who are already in the game. Those workshops won't really help you. You need to attend workshops that are tailored to your needs. So as a beginner, you should attend beginner workshops where whoever is organizing the workshops has the beginner at heart. So that person will be able to take you through the basic things you need, and you will be able to ask questions as a beginner. Some of these workshops that are not meant for beginners, when beginners attend, they are scared or afraid to ask certain questions because most of the people there have gone past that level. So if you ask those questions, they might just see it as you wasting their time or not. So just try and attend beginner workshops. That's the reason why I have beginners workshop every year that I organize on the 21st of September. Every year we organize that. Just that for the past 2 years, because of COVID, we've not been able to do that. But this year it's coming back live. The next advice I'll give is you should offer your time to other photographers. Why am I saying this? Some of us learn more by observing. So if you see a photographer whose works you like or whose workflow you like, get in touch with that person. Offer to help the person. Offer to hold lights or be of assistance to them. It could be anything. Maybe you have graphic design skills. You could offer that service to this photographer in exchange to learn from the person. Some of you do that just to steal clients from these people and all that. We know. Please don't do that. Go with a clean heart to learn. And if you do that, this person will open up to you and then show you a lot of things that you wouldn't otherwise have known. The next tip is humble yourself and be willing to learn. Some of you get in touch with us to take you through some processes, and as we go along, it happens that you're rather talking more than learning. So it's like you come to me to teach you frequency separation, and instead of asking questions and watching how I do it, you're rather trying to lecture me, you know. And I noticed that, okay, there are some mistakes you were making in your previous processes. I try to correct you, and no, you're not ready to take. You're rather giving explanations, excuses as to why you still want to stick to this and all that. Meanwhile, you came to me for me to teach you, to show you something. It's just right for you to, relax for me to teach you. You can ask questions, but challenging and all that, they don't make us want to really spend much time with you. Also, some of you ask for corrections, or you ask for guidance. We try giving you guidance and you do everything to explain why you still want to go your old ways. Then why did you get in touch for me to give you guidance in the first place? You get my point? So yes, with all the tips I've given, if you're not humble and you're not willing to learn, you won't get far. This one is a bonus tip. When you reach out to some of us, we would appreciate it if you go straight forward. Skip all the hi, hello, chief, bossu, chairman, and all those things. Just go straight. Maybe in one paragraph, just let us know what it is you want us to do for you. It makes the process easier. Imagine having 100 messages in your DM and they are all hi, 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 hi. In order not to waste each other's time, just go straight forward and let us know what you want in the DM. I'm sure lots of photographers can relate to what I'm saying. I get lots of DMs with hi, hello, and I'm somebody who doesn't like airing people and I don't keep messages hanging. So I try my best to reply all of them, but it ends up wasting each other's time. Just go straight up. Sometimes you see hi, you reply hi, how are you doing? I say fine. Then the next thing is we thank God. And then a day or two comes before another hi, then you have to start the whole process again. Please, let's just learn to go straight to the point. Whatever you want, just say it in one paragraph. I'll reply you and we move on. This video right here contains other tips that will be beneficial to you. I'll suggest you check it out. I hope this has been informative for you and I would like to thank you for watching.